Hi! In front of me is OPPO A77s, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options available on this OPPO. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Sound and Vibration. Then click on this sweater next to Vibrate on Ring to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on this one next to Vibrate on Silent to enable or disable vibrations while your device is muted. When you finished, scroll all the way down. Lastly, tap on Haptics and Tones. And by clicking on this switcher next to System Haptics, turn on or off haptic feedback for touches, swipes, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!